Hey everyone, uh, so I have created this demo in order to showcase how we can integrate Salesforce with Microsoft SharePoint. So as we all know, Microsoft SharePoint is the preferred way of storing the documents since most of the companies are working using Microsoft products like Office 365 or Outlook. That is why I guess Microsoft SharePoint is the preferred way to store the documents, and Salesforce, as per say, is not really a good storage engine because of various storage limits, and the cost of storing documents in Salesforce is really high. So, so there really needs to be a way wherein we could store our documents in SharePoint, but somehow we are able to view all those documents from within Salesforce and somehow attach it to the records that are in Salesforce. For example, any opportunities or accounts to which we need to attach those documents, we should be able to attach it, and from within the Salesforce itself we should be able to navigate to those documents and then view it. So that is what we will see in this demo, how we can integrate the two. So Salesforce has a standard plugin, or it has a software which we can use to integrate SharePoint. So it came with that software around a couple of years back. It's called Files Connect. So what happens is we can install Files Connect, or configure Files Connect in our org, and once we do that, we will be able to use Salesforce with SharePoint. Uh, let us see what happens when we have integrated our Salesforce instance with the Microsoft SharePoint. So I have this org currently open. This is my developer org. I have integrated my SharePoint uh, share, or my SharePoint account from within this org. So let's see what we can do. So this is the opportunities tab that I'm currently on. So I'm going to click one of the opportunities. So let's open workstream 2. So now over here, what I really want to do is I want to attach a document from SharePoint to this opportunity. So on this, I can see this uh, at the top, the feed at the top. If I click on file here, I will see these two tabs. So if I click on select a file from Salesforce, what happens is I see this. Since I have integrated SharePoint with Salesforce, I can also see external files and SharePoint Online under that. So if I click on SharePoint Online now, what I see is all the documents that are stored in my SharePoint account. If I click on the documents here, I can see all the files as well as the folders that are there in my SharePoint Online account. I can navigate to one of the folders. Say I want to store a design document on this opportunity. So there is an attached link in front of every document. You can just click on this attached link and it will be showed on this window. We can share this file with others in the org. So if you click on this, you can share with all the people who have access to this opportunity, or you can keep it to yourself. So let's keep it to ourselves at this point and click on share. So now I can see that this file is posted on this window. If I just refresh on this page and scroll down, I can see that the document is under my notes and attachments on this page. If I click on this title, what I see is this page, and it says that this file is managed in SharePoint Online. I can click on the open link. This is the SharePoint logo, so we can see that this is a SharePoint file. We can also have other other storage engines like Google or something else configured with Files Connect. So let's click on this open here. So we can see that it is taking me to my file on SharePoint. So this is the URL for that, and I can see my file directly from in there. I can edit the document as I am in SharePoint, or I can do pretty much anything that I can do in SharePoint from here. So that is how we can attach a particular file to an opportunity, or to for that matter to any other record as well. One other neat feature that we get with Files Connect is the ability to global search any file in SharePoint from within here. So say I want to search for Semtech files from in here. So I click on Semtech and click on search. So it says no search found, but let's click on search all. So what we can see here is it lists all the files which have Semtech in the name or in the content. So from within Salesforce, I can look out for any files that I have in my SharePoint that has Semtech in the name. So that is a really neat feature. I mean, you can just look out for any files that you want to see from in here, and it will display. So you can also see the download link here. If you just want to view, click viewing SharePoint online. That doesn't seem to be working though. We click on open here. Yes, so now we can open pretty much any document that we want from within Salesforce itself. So that is another neat feature that we get with Files Connect. So that is how the functionality really works. So what I will do now is to move on to the technical details of this demo. So let's see how we can actually create this integration from Salesforce to SharePoint.